Your question is, under which article of the Indian Constitution is the Comptroller and Auditor General of India appointed? Your options are A. Article 146, B. Article 147, C. Article 148, or D. Article 149. Right answer is C. Article 148. Your question is, the reports of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India relating to the accounts of the Union are submitted first of all to which of the following? Your options are A. The Chairman of Public Accounts Committee, B. Speaker of the Lok Sabha, C. Law Minister of India, or D. President of India. Right answer is D. President of India. Your question is, the office of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India was created. Your options are A. Through an act of the Parliament, B. By the Constitution, C. Through a cabinet resolution, or D. None of the above. Right answer is B. By the Constitution. Your question is, the tenure of Comptroller and Auditor General of India is. Your options are A. 4 years, B. 5 years, C. 6 years, or D. 7 years. Right answer is C. 6 years. Your question is, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India can be removed from his office in like manner as. Your options are A. Speaker of Lok Sabha, B. Attorney General of India, C. Judge of the Supreme Court, or D. Chairman of Union Public Service Commission. Right answer is C. Judge of the Supreme Court. Your question is, which one of the following duties is not performed by Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Your options are A. To audit and report on all expenditure from the Consolidated Fund of India, B. To audit and report on all expenditure from the contingency funds and public accounts, C. To audit and report on all trading, manufacturing, profit and loss accounts, or D. To control the receipt and issue of public money and to ensure that the public revenue is lodged in the exchequer. Right answer is D. To control the receipt and issue of public money and to ensure that the public revenue is lodged in the exchequer. Your question is, who amongst the following attends the meetings of the Public Accounts Committee of the Parliament? Your options are A. Attorney General of India, B. Solicitor General of India, C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, or D. None of the above. Right answer is C. Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Your question is, which article of the Constitution prescribes the duties of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India? Your options are A. Article 146, B. Article 147, C. Article 148, or D. Article 149. Right answer is D. Article 149. Your question is, the Comptroller and Auditor General of India is a friend and guide of. Your options are A. Select Committee, B. Estimates Committee, C. Prime Minister, or D. Public Accounts Committee. Right answer is D. Public Accounts Committee. Your question is, the Public Accounts Committee of Indian Parliament scrutinizes the. Your options are A. Report of the Comptroller and Auditor General, B. Consolidated Fund of India, C. Public Account of India, or D. Contingency Fund of India. Right answer is A. Report of the Comptroller and Auditor General. Your question is, consider the following statements. 1. The Advocate General of a state in India is appointed by the President of India on the recommendation of the Governor of the concerned state. 2. As provided in Civil Procedure Code, High Courts have original appellate and advisory jurisdiction at the state level. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? Your options are A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. Both 1 and 2, or D. Neither 1 nor 2. Right answer is D. Neither 1 nor 2. Your question is, who is called the guardian of public purse? Your options are A. President, B. Comptroller and Auditor General, C. Parliament, or D. Council of Ministers. Right answer is B. Comptroller and Auditor General. Your question is assertion A. The duty of Comptroller and Auditor General is not merely to ensure the legality of expenditure but also its proprietary. Reason R. He has to uphold the Constitution and the laws of Parliament in the field of financial administration. Your options are A. A is false but R is true. B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. Or D. Both A and R are true but R is not the correct explanation of A. Right answer is B. Both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Your question is which of the following options is not correct? Public finance studies financial activities of the government. It consists of blank. Your options are A. Analysis of public expenditure, B. Public revenue, C. Financial administration, or D. Functioning of commercial bank. Right answer is D. Functioning of commercial bank. Your question is Girish Chandra Murmu has become India's. Your options are A. 12th Comptroller and Auditor General, B. 13th Comptroller and Auditor General, C. 14th Comptroller and Auditor General, or D. 15th Comptroller and Auditor General. Right answer is C. 14th Comptroller and Auditor General.